Hi guys, welcome to Realme 9 Pro 5G 2021. Realme 9 Pro is the upcoming mobile that is a great combination of functionality and style. The phone is speculated to be launched in India on August 31, 2021, expected at a starting price of Rs 24,999. You will be able to buy this lightweight, sleek and stylish phone in different color options. The phone is rumored to come with a magnificent 6.4 inches, 16.25 centimeters display with a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels, which will bring out content to life. In addition to this, the aspect ratio of the phone's display is expected to be 29, that will give you an immersive viewing experience while playing games or watching movies. The mobile will ensure a faster and lag-free performance while watching videos, playing intense graphics games or browsing the web, as it is said to be equipped with Octa-core, 2x 2.3 GHz Kryo 465 Gold and 6x 1.8 GHz Kryo 465 Silver processor. In addition to this, the upcoming mobile phone will come with 6 GB of RAM so that you can switch between multiple apps without any interruptions. And it might come with 128 GB of internal storage so that you would store all your songs, videos, games and more on the phone without worrying about space constraints. This upcoming mobile from Realme is touted to run the Android V10Q operating system. And it might be housing a 4500 mAh battery that will let you use the device for long hours for playing games, listening to songs, watching movies, and more for a longer duration without worrying about battery drainage. You will be able to take your photography skills a notch above, as the phone might feature a single camera setup on the rear. Features on the rear camera setup might include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Various connectivity options on the Realme 9 Pro are rumored to include Wi-Fi, yes, Wi-Fi 802.11, BGN, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, yes, V5.0, and 4G, supports Indian bands, 3G, 2G. Moreover, sensors on the smartphone might include accelerometer, gyro,